Ciao guys, let me show you how I tin, solder and blacken brass for ship models. This is not a definitive guide from a solder master. I'm sure there are better and more specific and professional ways, probably, but let me share with you how I do it. First of all, be sure to have cleaned the brass. I do that by using isopropyl alcohol. I apply then the soldering paste as close as I can to the interested area. I then lay a tiny piece of tin on the soldering paste. You can either lay the welder underneath the brass if the brass piece is large enough, otherwise you can lay the welder on the tin, like I did in the video, since the brass piece wasn't large enough to do the other way around. I then turn the brass piece on the other side and repeat the process. I use a file to finish it and to eliminate the excess. Let me show you these on another piece and then I'll show you the final results. For the burnishing part, I use an alcohol solution again for cleaning the brass pieces. Be sure not to touch them with your hands, otherwise they will create a patina again that will affect then the burnishing. I use the MIG burnisher premises. It doesn't work well with tin, as you can see. It works fine with brass. I'm not saying it's a bad burnisher, but I would suggest you buying a specific brass and tin burnisher in a hardware store. I bought this little bottle and I must finish it, and that's it. So thank you guys, please leave a like, a comment if you enjoyed this very short video, and see you in the next one.